And my name, Father.
Billy, and your brother, what's your brother's name?
Father.
Hi, I'm Miss Angie.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna get you some more cornstarch.
Which one exploded on you?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
The cornstarch?
Save that. Okay, we have more. Okay.
Where's the towel?
There's a bigger towel right here.
Yeah, well, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry. We'll get started here in just a few minutes, kind of allowing a little time for folks to join in. You'll need a mixing bowl. You have a mixing bowl?
Here, I'll set one down somewhere else.
Here's this.
Yeah, okay, and a spoon or something to stir with, because we're gonna stir a little bit, and then you're gonna mix most of it with your hands.
There we go. All right.
This is messy too.
That's okay. Just send me a towel.
Sure.
We can clean it up later.
I thought we were going to the library to do this. Sorry, I got it.
Well, that's okay. Let's just set these on the towel. I should probably close the cornstarch so it's explode here.
Father has room cornstarch.
Keep
Ray.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yes. Father.
All right, we'll go ahead and get started, and then if our friends join in, they can pop in, and it's really quite simple to do our experiment and our mixture today, so it'll be easy for them to catch up, okay? So for our ingredients, you have your cornstarch, and the recipe is 2 to 1. So the normal recipe is like 2 cups of cornstarch, but today we only have 1, and 1 cup of shampoo conditioner. So let's pour in our cornstarch first.
kind of slowly so it doesn't make a big mess.
So it doesn't explode everywhere.
Again. All right, we can set that down.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, then can you put yours in that bag, please? Your cornstarch.
At the end, we're going to store it. You can just set your bag aside because we're going to just store it in the same bag. All right, and next we're going to get our conditioner. This smells good, doesn't it? It's really good. It smells good.
It's kind of strawberry.
It is strawberry. Yes, it is strawberry. We're going to just dump it in there.
Oh, bigger spoon. And you can kind of squeeze the bag so you can all get out.
Yep, you want to squeeze, get as much of it out as you possibly can.
I think that's as much as I can do.
You want to see those to make it kind of purple?
So in your bag, you had a little fairy dust. You have yours?
Where is it? Oh, there.
It's right here.
Oh.
Just sprinkle a little in there. And now is a good time if you want it to be a different color. You use food coloring to sprinkle in there. It'll make your dough a different color.
All right, dump that in there. Oh, it's halfway up on that corner. Oh. Okay, some. Here we go.
Well, I put it on my arm.
All righty. So now you want to take your spoon and you want to start mixing it together. And it's going to be a little clumpy to start with. I don't know if you can see.
I don't know, Rado. I'm not making Play-Doh. This This looks cute.
Yeah, after you get it mixed, kind of get a little bit there, we're gonna get in there and get our hands in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Our camera down so you can see that. Can you see that? So it looks kind of a little bit kind of clumpy.
You need some help.
Yes.
Now I bought downstairs with me a little cutting board, and if you put it on, either on your table, your board, whatever you're mixing on, pour it on it, because we're gonna mix it together. We're gonna get our hands in there.
I don't want it. I think that's what it's supposed to look like.
There's still some more cornstarch.
And we don't want any.
Let me
You have
just,
a little still left in your bowl, and which is okay, because once you get it on your hands and mix, if you put a little cornstarch on your hands, it won't stick so much to your fingers. So you see it on my board, you have to start kneading it with your hand like you do regular dough. If it sticks, then you can get a little cornstarch. If you have a little extra, add a little extra, put it on it so it's not as sticky on your hands. And then the thing about this, if it gets too runny, you just add more cornstarch, and then if it's too stiff, you add more of your conditioner.
our son's, we've got
Now,
Add a little extra cornstarch here.
so it doesn't get all sticky.
okay. I don't probably break it a little.
Oh, you're doing really good.
You can get that off the spoon.
Do you have yours on is that a cookie sheet?
It's a plier.
I'm gonna get a little cornstarch.
It's supposed to be purple, but it's more blue, but that's okay.
That still looks pretty.
What color did you add? Oh, that's cool. What color did you add?
Blue,
Blue?
blue.
And you may have to put a little bit more cornstarch on your
Just
hand.
a little bit more cornstarch. I'm gonna put a little more.
See your brother. Hey, son, you need to get that away from my computer, please.
Yours looks really good.
Put that in my
Getting cornstarch all over me.
Got it in my computer. Just get down, please.
Oh, I want to try those. Under we have conditioner, but not water. We can just make it with this.
That's awesome. Yours look really cool.
I'm trying to make mine into a circle.
Yeah.
Wonder yours is just kind.
Can you hold yours up to the camera really close so we can see it? Oh, yes. That looks really good. Did brother help you?
What?
Did your brother get to help some?
Yeah. It smells good now.
Yeah, it smells good in here.
This one.
Son.
All right, so it looks really good. So you get a nice little consistency.
Stop, son.
We want some in
A little
there.
sparkle,
No.
little fairy dust. You can make all kind of different things. I bought down with me some cookie cutter, and can make shapes with it. I just want to show you a little bit what you can do. If you have cookie cutters at home, you can make shapes. You can do imprints. If you have like a leaf, you can make the leaf print on your dough.
Hey, man, you gotta leave.
What leaf?
There should be a leaf over there.
Why can't I see the
Oh, to make an imprint of the leaf.
To make an imprint. So I have a flower. Do you see? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Really? You say yeah, too. Do it.
Stop it, Father.
Father, do not.
Yes, it is.
And make sure, make it on here.
Father, stop it.
I think I might have to put a little cornstarch on my cookie cutters, so that one didn't work too well. Let's try something else. I'm going to add a little cornstarch to it so that it doesn't stick to it.
Some colors, you know.
Made it work.
Oh, this did better. The star.
Do. Take off the mess.
It didn't always turn out like a leaf that much. All you can see is this part.
Well, you can set the dough down.
I'm gonna wait.
So you see it made the shape of the star?
Yeah.
You can mix it up again and do a different shape.
So you're gonna want it.
You put it in the middle, you can do your own handprint. On here. Might put a little cornstarch on your hand so it doesn't stick so much. Mine's a little bit.
Howie!
My hands, these hands are too big.
She needed it. Father, do.
No,
That's
I'll
it.
stick it on.
There's my handprint, and you see how big mine is. Now the shelf life to your dough is not as long as some of the slime that we've done before. You can store it in your plastic baggie, and I made some last week, and I put it in the refrigerator, and here's mine, and it stayed. I took it out and just kind of let it get room temperature, and maybe added a little bit more cornstarch so you can mix it and work it in some shapes. So you can keep it for about a week or so in your refrigerator in a baggie, and it'll fit in one of the baggies that you had, either your cornstarch or
Yeah.
Oh.
What's that?
your conditioner. There you are. That's your fairy dough. Thanks for popping on with us today. And is this something that you think you can do by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fairly easy. I love your color. I love mine's the same color.
This is your shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, son, stop. Son.
All right, that's good. That's our fairy dough. Thanks for coming. And hope you have fun playing and making different prints with your dough. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
What about your little reading?
Um,
Aren't you at the prize on your reading?
I'm almost at my prize. I just got one more circle to do, then I get my prize.
Okay. Well, we'll
shot.
prizes next week. So if you stop in next week, we'll have it ready for you. And I think we're going to do it like a curbside pickup, and you'll get a bag and a book according to your age. Okay.
Thank you, my shot.
All right. And you can check out all of our other programs that's going to be on our YouTube page and on our Facebook page Tomorrow, Science Tellers is going to have a show on there. And on Friday is Bubble Wonders. So there's a show about bubbles. And then
Stop.
Professor Steve, he recorded some science experiments on yesterday. So you can catch those on our YouTube page as well, on our Facebook page. So be sure to check them out. Professor Steve is a lot of fun. I watched some of them yesterday. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. All right. Well, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time, and we'll see you next week to get your prizes.
Okay. Bye.
All right.